What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find hot dropshipping products. There's paid ways and there's free ways. I've learned from a lot of other big dropshippers. I'm showing you guys the free way right now so what you want to do is you want to look for products in your news feed, and if you don't have any then you might have to search some. But I have a lot in mine already, so I'm just going to show you once I run into one. This is one. Just going to show you what you want to do when you can get to advertisement. So you're going to want to maybe just like it, hit shop now. If it's not a drop shipping website, which it does look like one, add something to a cart basically, so that way the pixel is fired and Facebook can actually send more ads your way to see if you're gonna buy a product. Let's just add it to a cart, and then you just want to just exit out right away, or you can do some other things first and then exit out, but it doesn't matter. Just close the window. And another way to actually look at it more in depth, and you can get to the ads library from this section here. Just hit this, and then actually not this section, but you can see they're targeting this way. If you hit this, you could say, why am I seeing this ad? And then it's going to show you some of their targeting. This store is trying to reach people ages 21 to 64. Primary local in the United States. So it'll kind of give you some targeting. Sometimes it'll even give you more targeting factors than it just did. But so you're gonna want to click on their page, and then you can also go to page transparencies and then go see more, and it tells you when the page was made, if they changed their name or anything like that. You can go to ads library, which you could go to ads library without going this way. You can just type in ads library, but that's if you have a store that you already know you're going to search, and then to search all their ads. So here I see all these ads that this specific store is running. So it just gives you all these little details, and these guys don't have any duplicates. If they did, they would have little numbers right here telling you how many ads of the same ad is running. So so that's one way to kind of spy and see. And then you can also go to their store and search like their traffic rankings. If you get a Chrome extension called similar web, then you can see how much traffic they're getting. There's another way to get to ads library. You just type in ads library, and here it is. And you'd have to type in a specific one, which I've typed in these, so they're in my recent searches. And then you could just click on that, and looks like these guys ain't running ads anymore. I don't know what happened. I know I'm pretty sure they're selling their site on Shopify Exchange. And Shopify Exchange, guys, is you can sell your Shopify store, and Shopify has its like the numbers you've done on your store, or whoever's selling the store, and all those factors. And I'll go in another video and maybe show you guys that. I'm not going to do that right now. This is more about searching products and trying to find a winning product or a good product that you feel confident running. Also, when you're searching products, you can go to Google Trends. Let's just search posture corrector. And see, it's kind of steady in on the lower end, but it is going up on an uptrend. And you always want to check not just 12 months, but 5 years. So then you have a 5-year rating to look at, and it's been on an uptrend since 2018, around January, and it's been going up and down since then, and it's looking pretty good for a product like that. And to kind of like compare, let's look at something that might be more of a really big trend spike during like a certain holiday, so that way you can kind of compare what a trend is to like a holiday like Christmas or something like that. So let's type in Christmas tree or something. Okay, and see this is what you don't want. I mean, unless you were gonna sell some kind of Christmas item right around Christmas, then you don't want to get into anything crazy like this. So yeah, it just peaks at that, and that's kind of how you find a winning product too, is just to make sure there's high demand for it. Also, you can come down here and look at what states search more in those states. Here we are in AliExpress, and you're going to want to type in your product. So posture corrector. And then you're going to want to hit orders. It's going to sort from the highest orders and give you all of your top suppliers that have sold the most likely and reliable. And then you're going to see the listing, and then you can also, depending on where you want to ship, United States or from China. Some of them have United States, but that's not what we're going to go into. We're just doing the product search, right? And we want to see how many sales are selling on AliExpress. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this one. And you're going to want to actually copy this link. Which is the product page link. And then you're going to want to go, after you log in, you're going to have to set up the dropshipping center. But what AliExpress is doing is they're favoriting dropshippers, and they're actually starting to do more things for dropshippers and make it easier for them, because that is the life of AliExpress. Also, it's part of its life, and how it's grown so big. But so you're not going to see the dropshipping center, but I'm going to have to go to like something. Once you log in, you're going to have to go to, you'll find it. It's a dropshipping center, and I can't ever find it unless I go to my orders or under my account. So you'll have it within your account after you create an account with AliExpress. So you're going to hit dropshipping center. And that link, remember I got that link. So we're going to go to product analysis, and we're going to paste that link and analyze. and it gives you the sales and the logistics reliability right here, which is excellent. And you know, I've been watching this product for a really long time, and it's always sold. It might be saturated, but it's always had a steady, even in Google Trends, but it's always had a steady ride. And looks like, you know, the last couple days they've done average of around 80 orders, you know, so that's pretty good. And that's what the Dropshipping Center provides you with for dropshippers. And if you want to find another product a different way, like if you're just looking fresh, it will give you find products, winning products in here, and the ones that are like kind of trending and hot sellers. So that you'll find that in the find products to sell section right next to product analysis. So you can just go down and, you know, you can scroll down and see all these different products, and it's got the ratings, all the ratings on the side, orders, drop shipping orders, which I don't know how they tell between the two, unless somehow they tell that you're using like Oberlo or something. But, and you know, you got your sales performance, all these different metrics. So that's a good way to find hot winning products for zero cost. That's the free way. So if you want to spend a little bit of money, I heard AdSpy is really good. AdSpy, I'm not sure how much it is. Maybe I'll put an affiliate link, or maybe I'll put a link down below if I find out how much it is, but I think it's like $30-something. And so then we got DropPoint, which I have, and I found a product on here that I started running from my last video. This is not a bad one, and it's only $5 a month, so that's also why I got it, because it's pretty cheap and I didn't really care, even though I know I could find products the free way. I just thought it would be interesting and good to try this one. So yeah, there's a lot of good products on here, and it's just easy to have them all organized in so many different niches and all those different things. So that's DropPoint for you guys. Also, if you guys need to find your break-even ROAS, there's a dropship toolkit for dropshippers. We can go ahead and do that real quick. Let's see. So we got 439 plus 358. So we'll just round it out. I don't want to do math right now, but we'll just put $8 and like 9 cents or something like that. Let's see. 9 cents. And then our selling price, we would go to, let's just go to Dream Postures. Okay, so here we are on the Dream Postures website, and we'll just put $24.95. And so your cost multiplier is 3x. Your profit margin is $16, and your break-even ROAS is 1.5. So it's just an awesome tool. I mean, it's cool that somebody made this. It's free. I don't know what other services they offer. Maybe I'll leave a link to this down below too if you guys want to get to it. If you guys got some good value from this little video, please give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. See you guys in the next video.